Are you looking for the best drones for traveling? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for traveling on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Mavic Mini Drone. The DJI Mavic Mini packs many useful features into a very small, reliable, and affordable form. Some of the camera specs that don't look impressive on paper suddenly appear very favorable when you feel the Mavic Mini's size and build quality in the palm of your hand. While it might not have the most powerful camera out of all of the drones on the market, you have to sacrifice some quality for portability and price. The Mavic Mini is so compact that it gets challenging to keep track of by sightline alone while it's in the air. The Mavic Mini's 1/2-inch CMOS 12MP camera should be an excellent fit for most users unless you are a professional videographer that will need your drone footage to match other land-based 4K footage. It might just be a great drone for agriculture. The DJI Mavic Mini also has a 30-minute flight time and a video transmission range of 2.28 miles. On a day with minimal wind, this drone has an impressive height range of 3.1 miles above sea level. The DJI designers engineered the Mavic Mini to weigh just under 250 grams, which is the limit in the United States before you are required to register a drone with the FAR. Number 2, Ruko F11 Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro is a great all-arounder model that features high-quality aluminium construction that gives it superior durability and protection against possible mid-air impacts. The F11 drone does have a slight learning curve due to its sensitive controls and potential to go fast, making it the best travel drone for intermediate pilots. The Ruko F11 Pro is an excellent drone for content creation on your travels. The controls have been laid out to make piloting the quadcopter easy, even for novice enthusiasts. This simplicity is reinforced by the GPS-assisted intelligent flight functions that make flying easy and exciting. Features like headless mode, one-key landing, takeoff, return to home, as well as follow me mode makes for a much more carefree piloting experience. The 4K UHD camera can record high-resolution videos and shoot clear stills during your travels, while the GPS module does a great job of stabilizing the drone when it is in a hovering position. It does not have any obstacle avoidance sensors. Another shortcoming is that the F11's camera doesn't have a gimbal stabilizer, making your footage a little bit shaky. Number 3, DJI Phantom 3 Drone. The DJI Phantom 3 is packed with several advanced features and specs. It has flight modes for everyone, from absolute beginners to experienced drone pilots. This is a great travel drone for any purpose but especially for aerial photography. The camera has a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor plus 4K/60p video, along with 5-directional obstacle sensing and 4-directional obstacle avoidance. The new Phantom 4 Pro is also equipped with dual-mode GPS and GLONASS receivers for much better hovering capability and flight accuracy. This terrific camera uses a 1-inch image CMOS sensor, which will make your photographs and video far more crisp and detailed. The remote controller fits in well with the whole elegant design and all-white finish of the drone. It fits perfectly into your hands, and all the controls are within easy reach. Remote controller ergonomics often seem to be an afterthought by drone designers, so this feels like a luxury. The best fixed-wing drones even have controller options with an automatic takeoff and landing feature that make it easy to ensure a smooth experience at each end. Number 4, Holystone HS720 Drone. The Holystone HS720 has become a favorite among amateur filmmakers because of its portability, simple operation, and excellent camera. It has built-in shock absorption to reduce camera vibration when shooting. Like most of the other drone controllers, the video is sent to your smartphone that attaches to the controller's cradle, showing the first-person video being captured by the unit. Another nice safety feature is that if the HS720 were to lose power or signal, it would return home to the place where it was launched. The flight path function allows you to draw a flight route on the map displayed on your smartphone, and it will follow that path. One-touch return, and the drone will make the HS720 turn back and return to you immediately. It has a headless mode, which automatically aligns the drone with flying forward instead of spinning aimlessly. The brushless motors use less energy, which makes the HS720 capable of a 26-minute flight time. It captures incredible color detail and has excellent clarity. You will have to download the app to your smartphone to enjoy FPV. The biggest negative is that each battery has a charging time of up to 5 hours. Number 5. Parrot Anafi Drone. The built-in HDR option minimizes harsh brights and darks while adding rich contrast to the images that it captures. What's notable about the Anafi is that it is the first drone to feature a 180 degrees tilt gimbal. Hyperlapse video can be recorded and played back at 15x to 240x the speed, while slow-motion shots can be captured at 720p/124p. Each of the 4 drone legs contains a dual-band antenna, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, enabling HD video streaming up to 2.5 miles. Parrot Anafi is also an ideal drone for casual consumers who want to experiment with various special effects without spending a great deal of money. It offers up features not found in other models with similar price points, and its ability to point the camera 90 degrees upward means you can capture shots that simply aren't possible with other drones. Compare that with the best VR drones that have a superior image and HD video quality.